like putting fractions on number lines, like between which 2 points is 7/16 located. I didn't. I couldn't get that because it's a struggle. And this one, I also got that. It was so 1/16. Wait, one. 1/16 was too high. It was supposed to be right there, and I put it right there. I guess we have to put it in the exact spot. And
Do you understand why 1/16 is right there and not there?
it's because 1/4 is right there, and then like.
So how does 1/8 compare to 1/4?
Isn't it like 1/8 supposed to be like half of 1/4? I forgot. You taught us this, but I forgot. Yeah.
So 1/8 is exactly half of 1/4.
And then 1/16 is supposed to be.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Half of 1/8. So I'm trying to. So that's still in progress. Not quite. And she identified that she doesn't quite have this yet. So we're still working on the fractional thing.
Yeah. And then I said putting mixed numbers on number lines a struggle. Like I said, 11/8. I put it right there, but there it is. 11/8 is right there, I think. But 11/8, I know it's 1/3, and 5/4 is 1/4. It's just that I can't get the fractions to be on the exact spot. It's really hard for me. And yeah. On this test, I just got one wrong because I accidentally said 1 1/2, like 6 3/4 subtract 4 1/4, but it was actually 2 1/4. I just got mixed up. And also on this test, it's pretty easy, but on these two, it said the volume, but I put the dimension. And this one, I understand how I got it wrong. I said 12 times 16 equals 192, but the volume was 192. And I was actually getting on the right track. Like I was gonna get 8. Like I said something right there. But then I erased it, and then I somehow did that. But I understand how I got it wrong. And yeah, any questions?
You need to learn more about math.
I am. It's just that fractions is a really big struggle for me.
So how can she practice more where she can?
Well, IXL does some. On IXL, there could be some things with fractions. I can, if I can come up with certain things. Asking questions of me would be a big thing because would you say you rarely come and ask me questions about math?
Yeah, I don't. I sometimes I'm not gonna lie. I sometimes hide out and I pretend that I know it. But yeah, I
Yeah, and that's a big, huge thing in this math class, and they have to hear it a lot.
Yeah.
That you can't hide in this math class because I'm going to go at a certain pace, and you kind of have to come to me and say stop, because there's kids that are ready to go pretty quickly through some of the stuff. So it's important for Conlon to identify when she needs a little bit more help and to ask for the help.
Yeah,
That's a huge
You
thing.
have to because
Yeah, and there's no.
you want to
I
be
think
good.
I get it from Quang because he also said that he's afraid to ask questions. I'm pretty sure he said that.
Yeah, but that's something